In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Figma. Underlining text is a fundamental formatting option that can help emphasize important information, draw attention to specific words, or simply enhance the visual hierarchy of your designs. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through two straightforward methods to achieve this in Figma, ensuring your designs communicate exactly what you intend. First, let's explore the quick and efficient keyboard shortcut method. To begin, you'll need to have some text already present on your Figma canvas. If you don't currently have a text layer, you can easily create one by selecting the text tool from the toolbar. It's typically represented by a T icon. Simply click anywhere on your canvas and start typing your desired content. Once you have your text, whether it's a single word, a phrase, or an entire paragraph, the next crucial step is to select the specific portion of text you wish to underline. You can do this by double-clicking into the text box and then clicking and dragging your mouse cursor across the words or characters you want to format. With the text highlighted, the fastest way to add an underline is by pressing Ctrl+U on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC. If you're working on a Mac, the equivalent shortcut is Command+U. You'll instantly see the selected text gain a crisp underline. It's a fantastic shortcut to memorize for quick and seamless formatting adjustments in your design workflow, helping you save valuable time. Now, let's look at another method that provides a bit more visual guidance, especially if you're new to Figma or simply prefer using the interface rather than relying solely on keyboard shortcuts. Similar to the first method, you'll need to have your text layer prepared and selected on your canvas. So, once you've clicked on your text box, directing your attention to the right-hand sidebar, which is your Properties panel. This panel displays all the editable properties and styling options for your currently selected element. Scroll down within this panel until you locate the Text or Type section. Within this section, you'll find a variety of text formatting options, including controls for font family, size, weight, and color. Keep an eye out for a subsection or a drop-down menu specifically labeled Decorations. Click on this Decorations option, and you'll typically be presented with choices such as Underline and Strike Through. To apply the underline, simply click on Underline. Just like with the keyboard shortcut, clicking it again will toggle the underline off, allowing for easy adjustments. This method is particularly useful when you want to explore other text decoration options, or if you simply can't recall the keyboard shortcut at the moment, as it provides a clear visual path to the formatting controls. And there you have it. Two simple yet incredibly effective ways to underline text in Figma. By utilizing the efficient keyboard shortcut, Ctrl or Command+U, or by navigating through the Decorations option found within the Type settings panel in your Properties panel.